Hi, this is Karen Ross from Karen Ross Consulting. Today's Fresh Start is about the space to create. Did you know that I'm an artist with a master's degree in sculpture and that most of my artwork is quite abstract? For me, as an artist, that's a conscious choice, a way to engage the people who view my art in using their own imaginations to co-create the meaning of the piece along with me. It's what I call space to create. I use this concept in coaching and teaching Lean to others as well. While I provide some information and direction up front, I don't provide the whole story. This gives the learner space to create, using their own experiences and understanding. This way, the people I'm helping not only learn how to use Lean to deliver peak service experiences, they also develop their imagination and creativity at the same time. What do you think about space to create? I'd love to hear.